You are listening to Sounds of Industry. Sounds of the Industry.
Hope you have a nice time.
We are currently transmitting live from Unit A0 in the V22 building, Block F, 100 Clements Road, SE164DG. Send us all hate mail because no mail ever turns up here anyway. I'd like to apologise for the previous terrible telephone show where they dropped out halfway through and didn't give us any bonus time at the end of their show when they came back on, and they cancelled it all out and were very unfriendly about the whole thing. It's all about the listeners.
Celle qui balance l'heure pour appâter les cons. Ceux qui balancent l'heure comme Michael Jackson. Gaz pour gaz, autant faire gaz.
Not allowed to play actual songs, I don't think.
Is that the rule?
I think that's the rules. You're not allowed to play actual songs. But I'll see if I've got any telephone going on here. We can play that.
Whose rule?
You know, the Spreaker's rules.
Do they know?
I think they'll tell you off, you know.
It's you and your new style. It's not rock hard, but it's like ice cream. In fact, maybe we can get the ice cream guys because this one looks just like a soft scoop. Yeah? Has it got a phone?
It's doing that now.
What about the phone to Ron and Did's house phone number? Is that where the broadcast from?
No, they're in Bernard's house.
Where's Bernard up to?
He's statues.
Is he?
Yeah. Quit his job at the pub. He's now an apprentice thatcher.
It's fucking made for him. His own thatch. Harris Allen did a bit of that. That was his work experience.
Yeah.
That's fucking tip-top. If you're going to be a cool, blonde-haired, young, handsome man, with no interest in girls, then that's what you want to do.
Sounds of Industry. Sounds of Industry. What, John? What?
John Buck, 1/3 presenting.
How's that new mix coming on?
It's fucking boss, man.
Keep mixing up and it goes off really quickly.
How much allowable swearing is there on the Sounds of Industry radio show?
As much as you like.
Fucking good.
What are these things for?
They were the rockets off the F-16, what was it, 70 mile an hour plane that was in here. Like a couple of minutes in the Thames in 60 seconds, basically.
Straight off the roof of the building on the... Ah, yeah, let's do
What do
it.
you think this was for?
Obviously not having a go.
Well, it's gone now.
Oh.
It's in the Thames.
It's actually in the Thames.
No, it had to be painted white. I kept all the engine back off it and stuff though.
Did you?
Yeah. It was all on Joe's desk. He's probably tidied it away to the bin now. That was
I haven't
fine.
watched anything.
Have you not? That'd be here then. Perry been in. Oh, these are your eggs. One man's 3 eggs. Oh.
Let's get that mix on the go.
Where's the special card for doing it?
Is it the one?
Seems to be that you can only do it with that one.
Any more credit cards for this U-Poll? John.
Always wear a mask. Oh, stinky.
Can I just crack it off, Joe?
What have you got? Sounds of Industry. Oh, here it is. Oh, I don't know. Fine.
Sorry, did I?
No. Absolutely not. Sounds of Industry. This is the new regular show coming from Bermondsey.
Studio Manana.
Estudio Mañana.
I'm sorry, your meeting has been cancelled.
Oh shit.
Bringing you big songs.
Slow and steady, my man. Slow and steady.
Actually, yeah, don't bother doing anything to the top and bottom of these ones, Graham. I just realised after doing loads to the top and bottom, don't bother doing anything to the top and bottom of it. Top and bottom. The longest.
The where now?
The longest bits.
Top and bottom?
Yeah. Because they're going to go on with the thing. They're columns.
Just this bit.
Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, can you spill that? Time for 10.
Live jokes.
Oh, no, medium.
Have we done them all now, Joe?
Done what?
All
jokes?
No.
It's a big long one, though. One that needs the most attention is this small one.
That one there that you've got?
This one.
Has it had any attention?
It's had already a lot of attention. It's got well wonky. It's the one that made super wonky.
Yeah.
Yesterday.
Why didn't you? Can we substitute it for some other ones? Or is it different shape? Size?
Different shape and size and everything.
Fucking hell.
What do you mean fucking hell?
I'm just verbalising my thoughts and emotions. That's all, man. You know. You dig it? I knew that you could. Sounds of industry.
So is that finished then, the cooker?
I think I just got to stick it down. On top, yeah.
Kind of funny that you're making a cooker there, but you need a cooker to do your hats in.
Yeah.
Hey!
But I made this cooker too small. It's a bit kind of like, if someone says to you, yeah, I've got this metal cabinet, and you phone up a bloke who sells cooking parts, and you just think, what size is it? Yeah, we can do that. It's this, and it's 120 quid. And you go, okay, well the ones I've been looking at on eBay are, 1,300 and...
Yeah.
What the fuck's going on?
So, what would you do with it?
I just need to get a little bit more temperature in there, and it'll quicken everything up, and boom. So it'd give me a heating element, a fan, and a thermostat. Controls the thermostat.
And what temperature can it go up to?
200 degrees, he says. So then you could start doing acrylic stuff in there if you needed to.
But also with a fan, then you could do a chicken.
You could do a chicken.
Would you sort of not want to do a chicken?
I wouldn't want to do a chicken there.
After you've done a load of
Yeah.
acrylic stuff in there.
Yeah.
I'd go pissed. That'd be work for a chicken.
Jack potatoes is quite nice. Put them in the morning. Start selling them. A couple of quid.
With choice of no toppings.
Yeah.
No toppings.
Beans on that. There's some beans.
Beans on the Perry Murphy one spot.
Yeah. I'll tell you what, let's forget this model making stuff.
You just have dinner.
How are you getting on? Yeah, really stuff.
Oh, fucking hell, loads of potatoes. Been here since 7.
Got any more split?
I think it's mostly gone rock solid. Towards them.
Nah.
This is well tacky. Quick, get on it.
What this stuff?
Yeah, have it. Look. I've got to clear this thing off.
Turn that off.
The sounds of industry. What are you building now, John?
I'm going to build a clock sculpture.
Cat sculpture.
Cat sculpture.
Clock sculpture.
One clock sculpture.
I should make them shine.
We're building a temple-looking type thing.
Currently being built here at Studio Manana. Over there in the West Wing. John Buck is working for... Can we tell them who it is?
Panorama.
Planorama. For the client, Ted Baker. Ted Baker.
Internationally renowned clothing label.
Ted Baker. And what are you making again?
I'm making a sculpture out of clocks. And I'll prove to you that I have clocks. I'll make them chime.
Word up.
That's one clock.
It's got at least one clock.
But I'm doing that much.
Yep. Well, I mean, mix along, I suppose, really, isn't it?
It's lunchtime.
Yeah, look. Fucking hell, is that how fast a second is in reality, or is that just that clock there? Because time gallops on that clock.
We should make it go backwards for men now.
How did we get there?
Historical meeting.